Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. Just a quick video update today. Going over Bitcoin, the big dog. Getting a few questions on, it hasn't really moved up, and what's going on, this and that. So just wanted to cover this and basically show you kind of where we are, big picture. So on the daily, I drew this basically what would be a price channel. So this is kind of like the range that you would expect to see as far as potential movement. For me, holding this line here at around this blue line here at around 13,000 is kind of key. And then what I'm looking for is basically this larger fib buy zone area to really hold the move. So we could, if we break this level here, we could squirt down to this area here around 11,500 or so. That would not surprise me if that happened, and then bounce back up. That being said, we are getting cyclical into a buy area for Bitcoin down here, so we could potentially see the stochastics do that, and but we could see a move. It's potential we could see a move, slips down here and then up, back up. So that's kind of on the daily picture, and then on a daily cycle time frame, we are due for a move back up, and potentially we could break out of this trend line. I don't think it's a move. Eventually we're going to get into another move higher, this next leg up. But I don't think that that's going to happen on this next cycle. I think that we might have to chop for a couple more weeks. And I know that's getting really long for Bitcoin to be sideways, but you have to understand this is just a humongous move up to almost 20,000. And when you get a lot of overbought like that, it does take time to consolidate, and harmonics, if you will, to consolidate, and things to get rested, recharge, and then buyers overcome sellers again, and you move higher. So that's just very natural market price action. So I don't see anything really out of the ordinary there. It's just you kind of forget that sometimes Bitcoin can consolidate for a while. So it feels like it's something out of the ordinary, but really it's not. This is just a 4-hour view. So again, we have some more fib zones that we're currently in. If we break down below this level here, this 13,000 level, then that fib zone kind of goes bye-bye, and we're looking at this lower one here to hold. There is a little bit of a volume pocket here, so we could test, like I said, we could get a little move down like that, but that wouldn't be the end of the world. These pennants sometimes will have to be adjusted. We really haven't formed a really solid bottom yet on a pennant. If this moves up here, then I think we're going to have a really good picture of the consolidation pennant for this range. And then I think breaking this would definitely give us a signal that we're moving into the next phase higher. On the hourly, we can just get down to there. Currently under this trend line, if we break above that, then I'd be looking for, this would be the next area. The key level here at that point would be, I'll make this a long, short. So basically 15,500, guys. If we break above this trend line, that's probably where things are going to run up, and we're going to get a battle there, and we're going to pull back, and then so it'll be interesting to see how it reacts to that level. 15,500 would be key for me. It's not uncommon over the weekends. We do get some buying activity, so we could certainly see a move up to that level over the weekend. That would not surprise me one bit. As far as the bigger picture goes, here's our price channel, and we're still within it. Again, the bottom of this thing is around, now we have moved up, so it's going to be around 10,900 in that area. And then next week, the bottom, which will be a new candle, will print Sunday evening. The bottom of that channel will be 11,877 or so. So still within the channel, and nothing really has changed as far as trajectory goes. So we're still good. Still good. Price action is still normal. So just thought I'd give you guys an update on that kind of big picture on Bitcoin. Looking for a cycle up here in the next, I would say, 24 to 48 hours, to be honest. And that may take us to 15,500. And if that breaks, then we're going to test this trend line here at about 16,002. And if we get through that, we could break higher. But I don't think that's happening right now. I think we got a little bit more of up and down consolidation to go. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. We do have some winter specials running, so if you want to check that out, the link below will get you into the room. That's the links below, and we're running a special on that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. That helps us out a bunch. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.